Hi students, I am Pawan, your science master. Today I would like to speak to 7th standard students. Students, we have been talking about acids and bases. Especially in this chapter, we have been talking various subconcepts like what are the acids and what is the nature of acids and how to test them, and what are the bases and how to test them, and what are the indicators, what are natural indicators and what are artificial indicators, and what are salts. In the previous class we have talked about neutralization. See, what is neutralization? When an acid reacts with a base, that gives rise to a neutral substance. Okay. Basically, the neutral substances are salts, but all neutral substances are not salts, like sugar, starch, etc. See here, these salts, the salts like common salt that we use in our kitchen, and copper sulfate, and sodium carbonate, and so on. Students, these are the neutral substances. Okay, neutral substances. How do these neutral substances we get? How do we get these neutral substances? After an acid and base react, okay, a new substance produced, right? That is neutral substance. In the neutral substances, especially we see that we see them like salts and non-salts, like sugar and starch. Of course, these are neutral substances, but they are not salts. And the salts, common salt that we use in our kitchen, and copper sulfate and sodium carbonate, etc. so on. So there are many salts, but these are few of them. Okay, and we have to classify the neutral substances. We have to classify what neutral substances are of. Neutral substances are of, I said salts are the neutral substances. Here I said some of the salts, right? Those salts are again classified into 3 types. One is acidic salt, another one is neutral salt, and another one is basic salt. Okay, students. Here, how to classify these? How do you test whether it is an acidic salt or a neutral salt or a basic salt? How do you test? To test any substance, to test the nature of any substance, there are some what? Indicators. Here we need to use an artificial indicator, that is litmus paper. Students, here in this you need to test the nature of the substances, whether the substance is neutral salt, acidic salt, neutral salt or basic salt. How do you test them? Using a litmus paper. You know, litmus paper is of two types, one is blue litmus paper, another one is red litmus paper. Okay. Yeah, what is the topic that we are talking about here? Classifying salts. Okay, classifying salts. Students, how to classify? Let me teach you about this. See, here what you have to do is take three different substances like copper sulfate and sodium chloride and sodium carbonate. You have to take these three substances and take one litmus paper and take these three substances in different test tubes. Okay. You have to take these three substances where to understand the nature of whether the substance is acidic salt or basic salt or neutral salt, you have to take three test tubes. Take copper sulfate here. I am just writing formula, ma. You don't get confused. Okay. I am just writing the formula of the copper sulfate here, CuSO4, and here you have to take common salt, sodium chloride, NaCl, and here you have to take sodium carbonate. I am reading the word, you listen the sound and try to understand the formula of the word that I say. Okay. These formulas and all you will study in your higher classes. Okay. I am just writing the formula only here. You try to understand that. Okay. And here you have to take these three different substances in different test tubes and you have to take a litmus paper. What you have to take? You have to take a blue litmus paper. You have to take a blue litmus paper. What is this? Blue litmus paper. If you just dip this blue litmus paper in any one of these three substances, if blue litmus paper changes its color into red, that you have to understand an acidic salt. These are the salt substances. These are salts that I taught you before, right? Salt. If blue litmus paper turns into red, you have to understand that is acidic salt. And if red litmus changes its color into blue, that will be basic salt. What will be that? That will be a basic salt. And then if there is no change in blue litmus and red litmus, what will be that? A neutral salt. What is that? A neutral salt, the salt that we use in our kitchen, that is sodium chloride, right? That will be the neutral salt. Okay, students. Like this, you have to classify the salts, whether it is acidic salt or basic salt or neutral salts. Okay, salts are of three types. One is acidic salt, basic salt and neutral salt. Okay students, did you get the point? How to classify the salts as well? Okay. Not only the substances can be classified into acids and bases, the substances can also be classified into salts like this, especially in salts, acidic salts and basic salts and neutral salts also present. Here let me give you the information. Copper sulphate will be the acidic salt. Okay. Sodium chloride is neutral salt. Sodium carbonate is basic salt. Okay. This is neutral salt. This is what? Acidic salt. Here AS I wrote here, you try to understand. Neutral salt here, basic salt here. Okay. Like this you can classify. You please learn this, what are acidic salts, basic salt, neutral salts, and write in your notebook and present in our WhatsApp group, students. Okay. This is for today. Thank you for listening. Thank you one and all.